up guys, welcome back to another video. We are here at the factory meet. It is kicking off. I'm mind blown with how popular this has been. I'm gonna walk you guys around and show you guys a bit of what's going on, but this is the whole setup we've got going down here. Datsun's here, and then there's just people lining the streets all the way down and all the way back. So I'm kind of overwhelmed a little bit actually with the turnout. So we're gonna take a walk down and we're gonna have a look at some of the cars. First up, we've got the FC RX-7 convertible. What's going on? She's a stocker.
Stock as a rock.
I love that.
Exhaust.
I think this is a lone rotary here as well. Yeah, boy.
Represent.
Love it. How far did you drive to get here?
About 2 hours.
My man.
Central Vic.
I appreciate it, bro. That is sick. And it's parked right next to a beautiful EG Civic, which I believe has a B swap in it. So, and of course it's got the mismatch panels to go along with the whole look.
Drag car.
It's a drag car. To be honest, this thing's probably a mass sleeper. Or just smash all of us. It's sick. Love it. Rex's chaser. Woo. He's got the drift stitching because he's a madman and he drifts this thing. If I had a chaser, I would not be drifting it. I would tuck it away in the garage, but you know, Rex is rich, so. Hi guys. Welcome. This is my friend Ken's Lotus. He just casually went out and bought a Lotus. What is it? What? Exige. Look at this thing. Rocks up in a supercar. That is what you call flexing on some people, you know?
A lot of sexy carbon on it.
That's nice, huh? Yeah. Cool color. I've never really been a massive Lotus fan, but standing close to this, I'm like, dang son, this is cool. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Full cage and it was crazier.
Ooh. This thing's dope. This is just a race car ready to go, right? This might be the car of the show. Close to being the car of the show for me. Almost as good as the pink R33 from Silent Star. Almost. Ah, this thing's cool. Suss out the interior. Excuse the wind noise if there is any. Dude, I want to go on a long trip in this so bad. Luxury. That's what that is. Roof lining. Woo! Yes, yes, yes. The MR2. This thing's so cool. Also got a very cool owner as well. You don't see many of these around, and you don't see many of them modded. But this one is done absolutely beautifully. It's a very cool car. I approve wholeheartedly. Is so freaking cool. The number plate's even frick because it's so freaking cool. I'm assuming this is not static, it's on bags. Very, very nice. Nice and clean, beautiful color, wheels look sick. What is up guys, Mike from the future here. Sorry I missed a video last week. I'm actually currently in New Zealand on holiday finally after a 3-year hiatus. We were able to come back, see friends and family, so I took that opportunity and we've been here having a frickin' blast. But I thought I'd take the opportunity to throw the footage that I got at our open house at the factory together so that you guys could see how frickin' awesome it was. As you probably saw, I was terrible at filming on the day. It was very overwhelming. We didn't really know what to expect and we had a huge turnout. So I'd just like to take a moment to say thank you so much to everyone who rocked up to the factory. We sold a bunch of Drop the Anchor merch, Two Step Garage stuff, and sausages and soft drinks as well. We also did a raffle. It was just freaking awesome. The vibes were off the chain. Mikos was amazing on the DJ decks, and it was just awesome. So thank you guys so much for everyone that came out, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the wee snippets of footage that I did collect. I promise I'll do a better job filming next time, and yes, there will be a next time. We will be having another open house because that was just so successful and so fun. You know, I can't not do it again. It was so good. If you notice what's in the background here, that's a Datsun 180B. We worked on that car many years ago on my channel whilst I was last time I was in New Zealand here. That thing is airbagged. It's got beautiful wheels on it, but as many projects go, it's sat in the garage. Damo hasn't had a chance to get his hands on it because of having kids, and you know, life just gets in the way. So that's a project that you guys may recognize, but unfortunately hasn't been finished yet. I'm egging him on to finish it, and I said to him, if he doesn't get it done within the next 6 months, I'm going to fly over here and spend a week on it and finish it myself. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll be back working on the Civic this weekend, and there will be a video up this weekend, so I'm pumped about that. We've got a bunch of awesome stuff coming up, but I just appreciate all your guys' support so much. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, it really helps. And follow me on Instagram at @It'sMikeLake if you just like to see any random crap that goes on in my life. But thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Bye.